I shake your hand, but the whole situation. Wow.
You know, I figured it was you. On YouTube, right?
Oh no!
Yeah, no wonder it sounded so familiar. I was like, hey, yeah,
I'll take you out.
you're Amy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Amy, that's Vivi.
Oh, honey, did you take the key or did I take the key?
I took the key.
Oh, there's a silver key too.
Oh yeah, the other key's over here.
Just so you can trade the stand, I'll give you this one.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, with the key and everything. So if you want to use the stand for the other rhino,
Thank you.
yeah, no worries. I just had it. This was like, this one right here was my baby.
Oh.
This is the one I started with.
The first one?
My first one, yeah. But
I'll treat it right, I promise.
how long does it usually take you to edit your videos? I think that's like the worst for me. Oh my god, I was like, it took me like 3 weeks just to get one scene done.
No, I think on average it's like 8 hours. I don't know why.
It's, you know, you want to get it perfected too, and then you relook at it and you're like, okay, this doesn't work out. For me, I was restarting all the time. If I didn't like it, okay, I gotta do it again. Okay, I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again.
It's because there's like no confidence. I don't know, or the double chin.
That's so true. Oh, okay, my hair looks crooked. Oh my god, I sound stupid. Oh yes. You know what? I actually learned to accept how I am. So that actually made my videos a lot better because I accepted how it was. So.
Yeah.
But that's, you know, that's funny. It's funny coming from like, you know, someone that does YouTube but knows how it is. Because that's how it is. You do it, and you might think, no, babe, it's good. You're good, and then no.
I'm always gonna tell her it's good.
Yeah, you see, and my wife tells me the same thing, but I'm all crooked and the song is not correct, and no, you know, it doesn't work like that. So, how I did my research, I would look up the reviews on the machines, and I would also talk to people on Vending Nation, and I would let them know, hey, you know, and I would see posts too, hey, don't get rhino or don't get beaver, or, and I would be like, oh, okay, and then once I saw like beaver were good, I was on Craigslist, OFFERUP, Let Go, Mercari, I was on Google, I was on Amazon, I was literally everywhere to get, and then the majority of these were good deals.
Okay.
Scary, but good deal.
You're like, should I get
Yeah,
it?
this one right here in particular, I went at night, like at 10 to 12 o'clock at night to get that machine. And this one went all the way to Hemet, and there's only a few of them that were like close by, but the majority of them were pretty far. My wife's like, you're gonna drive that far, but you won't take me to the store. I'm like,
she's got a point.
yeah, like I was like, you bet your ass. And then she gets mad at me, but she'll be glad to know that I give her this. I'll let her know that you guys have an Instagram page too, or is it just you, Amy?
I mean, yeah, it's just her.
It's just Amy, right? That's all it is, right? Amy.
No, it's Vimy. Is what it is.
Vimy, that's my
That's your name.
character.
Yeah, see, my name actually came up with like the best name ever. It was a Time Vending. So I was like, you know, nobody has that name, and it's
Part-time vending.
Part-time.
Yeah.
But yeah, that went south. So if you want to say that, I mean, that's not, by all means. I mean, it's not even on the registered as an LLC yet.
Part-time vending.
Part-time vending, and I had like pictures already. I had a custom logo already.
Oh,
and...
we made little business cards.
Oh, cool! That's awesome.
Yeah, I just remembered. I was telling him that we made some business cards for vending.
Yeah, I haven't passed them out though.
No.
Hey, everything.
But you will now.
Everything through social media. Everything is through social media. Everything. Is,
Yeah.
Hey, you put your post up and you let people know, and then you hit up different businesses. And I even had I actually have a friend that has a taco stand, and he has one right there.
Oh, that's so cool.
So you can only imagine, you know, it's like, you know, people are gonna come with their kids and
They're waiting in line. Yeah.
Gum, M&M. But but he has a chainer on that.
Yeah.
You know, that way
They don't run and take it.
In less than 3 seconds, it's out.
I never play Tetris, as you can tell.
It looks like it.
I mean, this one should probably be pushed over that one.
Over that one.
To like, sorry, lift it. Mas. There you go. And then
Woo.
this one's
Oh my
already.
gosh.
Should close. Now we just gotta drive really slow.
I want to give a huge shout out to Will. You can find all of his socials in the description below. He does have an Instagram page. I want to say thank you so much to him and his wife. It's because of them that I now have 11 machines to add to my vending routes. I'm super excited. Will made everything so easy. The machines look great. If you ever want to get anything from Will, just check him out in the description below. And with that, now we got to start finding locations and seeing where we go from now. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.